For millennia we have gazed at the stars, our eyes drawn to the twinkling lights that dot the night sky. These celestial bodies have been our companions through the ages, guiding us through the darkness and inspiring wonder and curiosity. We told stories about them, weaving tales of gods and heroes, of epic battles and love affairs that played out in the heavens above. These stories were passed down through generations, becoming the myths and legends that shaped our cultures and our understanding of the universe. We mapped our destinies in their constellations, believing that the stars held the secrets to our futures. Ancient astronomers meticulously charted the movements of the stars, creating intricate maps that guided sailors across uncharted seas and helped farmers predict the changing seasons. Yet, the universe holds mysteries deeper than we can imagine. Beyond the familiar constellations and the bright stars that light up our night sky, there are distant galaxies and nebulae, vast and unexplored regions of space that challenge our understanding and ignite our curiosity. One such enigma lies in a remote and uncharted star system, far beyond the reach of our most powerful telescopes. This mysterious region has long been a subject of speculation and intrigue, a place where the known laws of physics seem to break down and new possibilities emerge. The iron suns, a string of dark metallic orbs that drift silently through the void. These enigmatic objects have puzzled scientists and astronomers for decades, their origins and purpose shrouded in mystery. They emit no light, no warmth, appearing as cold, lifeless husks against the backdrop of the starry expanse. Yet their presence is undeniable, a silent testament to the unknown forces at work in the universe. But they pulse with an energy that confounds our instruments, a strange and powerful force that defies explanation. This energy has sparked countless theories and debates as scientists strive to understand its nature and its source. Legends whispered of these celestial objects, tales of ancient civilizations that once harnessed their power, and of the cosmic events that led to their creation. These stories, though often dismissed as mere folklore, hint at a deeper truth that lies hidden in the stars. Some believe them to be remnants of a forgotten god, celestial artifacts left behind by a divine being whose influence once shaped the cosmos. These beliefs, though rooted in myth, speak to the profound impact that the iron suns have had on our collective imagination. Others, dormant weapons of unimaginable power, relics of an ancient war that raged across the stars. These theories suggest that the iron suns are not just passive objects, but active agents of change, capable of altering the course of history. The truth, as we would soon discover, was far more profound. As our explorers ventured into the depths of space, they uncovered secrets that challenged everything we thought we knew about the universe and our place within it. The iron suns beckoned to us, their mysterious energy calling out to the curious and the brave. It was as if they were inviting us to uncover their secrets, to unlock the mysteries that lay hidden within their dark, metallic shells. They called to the explorers, the dreamers, the scientists, those who dared to push the boundaries of human knowledge and venture into the unknown. These pioneers, driven by a thirst for discovery, answered the call with unwavering determination, and we, the Sovereign Collective, answered. United by a common purpose, we embarked on a journey to the stars, determined to uncover the truth behind the iron suns and to unlock the secrets of the cosmos. The Sovereign Collective's flagship, a marvel of modern engineering and a beacon of human ingenuity, embarked on a mission unlike any other. Our flagship, the pride of our fleet, was designed to venture into the unknown, to explore the farthest reaches of space. A vessel built for exploration, equipped with the latest technology and innovations, it was a testament to human ambition and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Every inch of the ship was meticulously crafted to withstand the rigors of space travel. For pushing the boundaries of human understanding, this ship was more than just a means of transportation. It was a symbol of our collective dreams and aspirations. The vastness of space held countless mysteries, and our mission was to uncover them. At her helm stood Captain Mira Voss, a seasoned explorer with a reputation for bravery and leadership. Her experience and wisdom were invaluable assets to the mission. A woman of unwavering resolve and a thirst for the unknown, Captain Voss was the perfect leader for this daring expedition. Her determination inspired confidence in her crew. Her crew, a tapestry of brilliant minds, was handpicked for their expertise and dedication. Each member brought unique skills and perspectives, creating a dynamic and innovative team. Dr. Elias Trenholm, the renowned astrophysicist, was among them. His groundbreaking research had already revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. His eyes constantly searching for answers among the stars, Dr. Trenholm's passion for discovery was matched only by his intellect. He was driven by a desire to unlock the secrets of the universe. Lieutenant Kara Sato, our security chief, was another key member of the crew. Her expertise in combat and strategy ensured the safety of the mission. Her hand always resting on the hilt of her energy blade, Lieutenant Sato was ever vigilant, ready to face whatever dangers awaited. Her presence was a constant reassurance to the crew. Ready to face whatever dangers awaited, she was a formidable force, embodying the spirit of courage and resilience. Their mission to unravel the secrets of the Iron Suns, to study them, to learn their purpose. The Iron Suns, enigmatic and powerful, held the key to understanding the very fabric of our universe, to understand their place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. The journey was long, filled with challenges and uncertainties, but the potential rewards were beyond measure. Fraught with the perils of deep space travel, the crew faced numerous obstacles, from treacherous asteroid fields to unpredictable cosmic phenomena. Yet they remained undeterred. Yet the crew pressed onward, their determination fueled by the promise of discovery. They worked together, overcoming each challenge with ingenuity and teamwork. Their determination fueled by the promise of discovery, they knew that every step forward brought them closer to unlocking the mysteries of the Iron Suns. The journey was arduous, but the spirit of exploration and the quest for knowledge drove them ever onward. As they approached the first Iron Sun, a hush fell over the bridge. On the main view screen, the massive sphere dominated our view. Its surface, a dark metallic ocean, seemed to absorb the faint light of distant stars. Sensors hummed, trying to pierce the veil of mystery. But the Iron Sun remained an enigma. No radiation, no magnetic field, just that steady, rhythmic pulse of energy. Dr. Trenholm, his face illuminated by the glow of the sensor readings, muttered in awe, "It's like nothing I've ever seen." Captain Voss, her voice calm but laced with anticipation, ordered, "Launch probes, begin passive scans." The probes, sleek darts of light, streaked towards the Iron Sun. They skimmed its surface, gathering data, searching for an entry point, but the sphere remained impervious. Hours turned into days, days into weeks. The Iron Sun held its secrets close, a silent giant in the void. Frustration grew among the crew. Theories were debated and discarded. Dr. Trenholm, his brow furrowed in concentration, pored over the data. "There's something there," he insisted, "something we're not seeing." Lieutenant Sato, ever pragmatic, cautioned patience. "We're dealing with something beyond our comprehension. We must be cautious." Section 5, Whispers from the Void. Then a breakthrough, a faint signal emanating from the Iron Sun. Not a radio wave, not anything we could readily identify. It was a pulse, a rhythm, like a heartbeat. Dr. Trenholm, his eyes widening, exclaimed, "It's communicating!" but in a language we don't understand. The signal was complex, intricate. It pulsed with an energy that seemed to resonate deep within our very being. It was both alluring and unsettling. Captain Voss, her voice steady, commanded, "Assemble a team, we need to decipher this signal." Section 6, The Language of Creation. For weeks, the crew of the worked tirelessly. They analyzed the signal, searching for patterns, for meaning. Linguists, mathematicians, and cryptographers joined the effort, their minds working in unison. Slowly, painstakingly, the signal began to unravel. It was not a language of words, but of concepts, of ideas. It spoke of creation, of energy, of a civilization that had mastered the very fabric of reality. The Iron Suns, the signal revealed, were not natural phenomena. They were artificial constructs created eons ago by a civilization so advanced it dwarfed our own. But why? What was their purpose? The answers, it seemed, lay within the Iron Sun itself. Section 7. A labyrinth of light. Guided by the deciphered signal, the located a hidden entrance on the Iron Sun's surface. A shimmering portal, pulsing in sync with the sphere's energy. Captain Voss, her face a mask of determination, addressed her crew. "We are about to step into the unknown. Be vigilant." They entered the portal, and we were bathed in a blinding light. When our vision cleared, we found ourselves in a vast chamber. Cables of energy pulsed and arced, illuminating the space with an ethereal glow. The air hummed with power, a living energy that seemed to sing to our very souls. We were not in a machine, we were inside a living entity. Section 8. The Guardians of Knowledge. The chamber was a labyrinth of corridors and chambers, each pulsing with the same strange energy. We pressed onward, guided by the signal, drawn deeper into the heart of the Iron Sun. Finally, we reached our destination, a chamber at the very core of the sphere, and there, floating in the center, a cluster of glowing orbs. As we approached, the orbs flared to life. Images flickered across their surfaces. Galaxies spiraled into existence. Stars were born and extinguished. And we saw them, the creators of the Iron Suns, a civilization of beings of pure energy, their forms shifting and swirling like the cosmos itself. They were ancient, powerful, and wise beyond measure. Section 9. Echoes of the Past. The orbs were not weapons, nor were they tombs. They were something far more profound, more enigmatic. These orbs, scattered across the galaxy, held within them the essence of a civilization that had long since vanished from the physical realm. They were not mere relics of the past, but living repositories of knowledge, wisdom, and history. They were repositories of knowledge, a vast library of a civilization that had long since transcended its physical form. Imagine a library so vast, so comprehensive, that it contained the entirety of a civilization's existence. Every thought, every discovery, every triumph, and every failure meticulously recorded and preserved. These orbs were the ultimate testament to their creators' quest for immortality through knowledge. The creators had seeded the galaxy with these iron suns, each containing a record of their history, their knowledge, their hopes, and their dreams. They were scattered like seeds across the cosmos, waiting to be discovered by those who were worthy. Each orb was a beacon, a lighthouse in the vast ocean of space, guiding future civilizations towards enlightenment, a gift to any civilization that managed to unlock their secrets. But unlocking these secrets was no simple task. It required not just technological prowess, but also a deep understanding of the principles that governed the universe. Those who succeeded were rewarded with the accumulated wisdom of an ancient race, a treasure trove of knowledge that could propel their own civilization to new heights. But there was a warning embedded within the knowledge, a cautionary tale that spoke of the dangers of unchecked power and the hubris of those who believed they could control it. The creators had learned this lesson the hard way, and they sought to pass it on to those who would follow in their footsteps. A cautionary tale of a civilization that had achieved unimaginable power, only to be consumed by it. Their cities, once vibrant and full of life, now lay in ruins, a stark reminder of the consequences of their ambition. They had reached for the stars, but in doing so, they had lost their way. Their story was a somber reminder that progress without wisdom can lead to destruction. A reminder that knowledge without wisdom is a dangerous thing. It is not enough to seek knowledge for its own sake. One must also seek to understand the implications of that knowledge, to use it responsibly and ethically. The creators of the Iron Suns had hoped that their legacy would serve as a guide, a beacon of light in the darkness, showing the way to a better future. As we left the Iron Sun, the weight of their legacy settled upon us. We had been given a glimpse into the past, a window into the lives of those who had come before us. Their hopes, their dreams, their triumphs, and their failures were now a part of our own story. We carried with us not just their knowledge, but also their warnings, their lessons, and their wisdom. We had glimpsed the future and the past. The Iron Suns had shown us what was possible, but they had also shown us the dangers that lay ahead. It was a sobering realization, but also an inspiring one. We had the power to shape our own destiny, to learn from the mistakes of those who had come before us, and to forge a new path forward. And we carried with us the responsibility to use our knowledge wisely, lest we repeat the mistakes of those who came before. The legacy of the Iron Sons was now in our hands, and it was up to us to ensure that their story did not end in tragedy. We had been given a gift, a precious treasure, and it was our duty to honor it, to learn from it, and to pass it on to future generations.